More is always better, right? Right. More speed bumps? More traffic? More chaos? More problems? Maybe with some things, more is just, well, more. Unfortunately, Alex also had more is better mentality when he chose software to run his business. He bought a separate software for each need. Then, he struggled to learn each one, pay for each one, and ramp up his team for each one. But the real trouble came when he thought he could make them all work together. That didn't work out very well for Alex. Meet Carrie. Carrie knows that quantity is not better than quality when it comes to software. And that's why she chose SuiteDash, the all-in-one business software suite. SuiteDash helps Carrie organize and automate her business. She has everything she needs to collaborate with her team and with her clients. She efficiently manages projects, builds marketing campaigns, and chats in real time with her team. The well-designed CRM and client onboarding automations smoothly integrate into her website. Her clients can easily access the portal to complete tasks, pay invoices, and upload or retrieve files. And because the whole experience is fully white-labeled with her branding, she is confident that her clients will be impressed. Plus, as Carrie's business grows, she can add more staff, more client portals, and more projects for no additional cost with SuiteDash's unlimited pricing model. Her success is being noticed by other business owners, and she's more than happy to share her secret. If you want to organize and automate your business to empower the next level of success, get started with your free SuiteDash trial today.